Hello friends, welcome to the textual education. In this video, we are going to create an employee API. So let's create an employee class. Click on model, right click on model, select the class option, give the name as employee, then click finish. The employee class contains some variables which are finish, click on finish. Now the variables are private, integer, ID, private, string, name, private, integer, salary, private, string, department. Now create the getter setter of these methods. Click on source option, source menu bar, generate getter and setters, then select all, then generate. It will generate the getter setter method of the employee bean class. Now let's create an util class that will manage all our operation related to employees. Now we are giving the name as EMP-OPRS. That means this class contain all employee related operations. Now creating the first method that will return a list type of employee. No, let me create a list first that will return by the this class. In constructor we are going to create a employee list object. First import the package of list and array list. Now create an constructor. In this constructor we are going to create an employee object and saving that object to employee list. Now set the parameters to the EMP object. First set ID. I'm giving the ID is 100. The next one is emp.set the name. I'm giving the name as Kamal Singh. The next emp.set salary department, that is sales. Now emp.set salary as 35,000. Now let's add this object to employee list. Now good, the employee list added. Oh, let me save the employee class first. Okay, now the error is gone. Now create a method that will return the list of employees. I'm giving that name is get employee and return the EMP list object. Now good, this method will return the employee list. Now move to the service package. The service package contains all the business logic. Create a interface by EMP service. In this we declare a method that will return a list of employees. Then give the name as get employees and import the employee package. Now create an IMPL class. Right clicking on service package, select the class option, give the name is EMP service IMPL. Now annotate this as service annotation that we have learned in part 1. Now implement the EMP service class. When we implement the EMP service interface, it will force to give the implementation of defined method. Now, good. Create a object of emp oprs class that we already created. Now, return the object emp oprs dot get emp list. Get emp list, not the variable. Good. This method will return all employees saved in emp list object. Now, it's time to create an controller. All requests will come to our controller. Name it as employee controller. That's it. Now, first we annotate this controller as @rest controller. Rest controller means this controller will contain all REST API related URLs. Now the next annotation is request mapping. Now annotate this as employee. This is our landing controller URL. Now create a method that will return the list of employees. Give the name as get employee. Import the employee package. Now create, annotate this method as get mapping. Get mapping slash get all. Now auto wired the service class here. Use the annotation auto wired public amp service. Give the name as service. This auto wired annotation inject all the dependency related through emp service interface. Now return the object from method service dot get employee list. That's it. All things done. Now let's change the application properties file. Give the port here, give the port name here. I'm giving it 8989. Then give the context path. I'm giving here the context path as emp slash v1. Now save this class, run your project by right click on a project, select the Spring Boot app. Now the Tomcat is started. Now the port is changed 8989 with context path emp v1. So let's test the API on browser. Type here http localhost, then port name 8989, then our context part that we have defined in properties file emp slash v1, then our controller class, then our method name URI, and hit the, then you will receive a response object. This is the response. Now let's add some more object to our class. I'm going to add two more object to our class. Just copy that object and paste it, and paste it again. Change the object name emp2, change the value of id, name, change the name, change the department, and change the salary of object emp2, change it here also emp2, 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 and save this emp2. Now changes to emp3, change the id emp3, change it here emp3, 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 emp3. Now change the, yes, add this to, now change the name Mohan Singh, change the department, okay. Now save your object, save the files. Now let's go to test it again from the browser. Now hit this same URL again, it will give you the output all three objects that we have created recent. That means it will return all the. Thanks for watching video. If you like the video, kindly hit the like button, give your comments, and click on subscribe button to get future notification. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.